Want to put the time behind your wallpaper on iOS 26? It's easier than you think. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later, ideally iOS 26. You'll also need a wallpaper that has a clear subject and background. To start, long press on your lock screen and tap either Customize or the plus button to create a new wallpaper. Then choose a wallpaper from the Photos app or one of the system options. Make sure it has a subject that will work with the depth effect. Once you select your wallpaper, you can pinch to zoom or adjust it so that it overlaps the clock slightly. Tap the three dots and enable the depth effect option if it's not already on. This will make the wallpaper appear in front of or behind the time depending on your setup. When you're happy with the look, tap Add, and your wallpaper will be set with the time position behind it for a clean 3D effect. And that's it. You've successfully put the time behind your wallpaper on iOS 26. If this helped, tap like, comment your favorite wallpaper style, and subscribe for more iPhone customization tips.